Hello everyone. You may be wondering why I made so many bows, because I have an order from a local shop and they want me make all these bows. I thought maybe I make this video can show you the idea as well. Then maybe you can you can do a presentation, or go to local shop to sell to them as well. You can make it. It's very easy to make. You can see you can put a clip on afterwards. So just put a clip on, become a hair clip. You can put on clothing or handbags. And another idea is because I don't have enough of this clip, the shop will order some clip. I made it that you can slide in and out, so all they need to do just slide in. That's why all these bows doesn't have a clip. That's what they're going to use. But I got one I can show you. It's another idea. You can, when you make it, if the elastic can go in as a hair bubble. Or another idea is you can slide in one of them. Obviously it's easier when you sew it, you make enough space so you're able to slide in, or your hand sew it to on the headband, look like that. Would be an idea for you to sell your local market, or you're going to approach to your local shop, or you sell it online. I thought it's a good idea to show you people actually buy all these hair bows and selling to the shop. Then you can very easily to make it. You don't need to glue gun, anything like that. And I'm going to show you how we're going to make it. Okay, the fabric I mainly use is called the Liberty fabric. This type of fabric, it's quite thin, in between the silk and the cotton type of feeling. Really thin. The print is really nice. I will forward on their website so you can have a look. They got so many different type of floral material available. This company based in London called the Liberty London Fabric, and we're going to use I pre-cut this piece, so we're going to use this one. I'm going to show you how we're going to make it. Okay, so you need to cut around about 32 centimeter. 32 centimeter, it's about 12.5 inches, just over. The width is around about 13 centimeter, about 5 inches, just over 5 inches the width. Okay, that's and another thing is try to make the bow look like a little bit 3D, softer to touch. We need some quite thin piece of iron-on interface type of fabric. We're going to iron it on. Okay, once the fabric ironed it on, then we're going to do a simple sew. Then we're going to finish the bow. Okay, before we go on the machine, I try to sew it. We need to cut this piece of fabric, just 3.5 centimeter ish. And we cut that piece, just we're going to leave a lot bit for the middle. You can see that. So now we got 2 pieces now. Now we're going to fold it and fold them. Then also fold that one. Then we're going to sew here and there. This line and there, we're going to sew it. Okay. Okay, we finished all the sewing here. Now we need to turn them inside out. The big one obviously is quite easy. Just turn inside out. The smaller tube might be quite hard, and I don't know if you have a lot too like that. They normally for the embroidery or something to do it, but I find it quite easy to, you know, if you have a smaller tube of you need to turn inside out. It's quite, I find it quite easy to use this too. Just hook it on, hook a little bit of fabric, and hopefully, you know, straight you can turn inside out. It's better than any other tools I find. Hope it helpful. So we're going to ironing it. Then you make sure the stitch in the middle. Then we're going to iron in these two pieces. Then what I can do is you find the middle. You find the middle, then you just go over 1 centimeter ish, and another side go over 1 centimeter. Like that, to make sure they meet in the middle. Give you a quick iron in the edge. Okay, what you can do is to find the middle and just do like that. Find the middle and just equally press it down. Something like that. You can see a bow already there. I try not to use any glue to mess it. So what you can do, we use string, tight it. Okay, you know where the middle is, just tight it. 3, 4, 5, 6, I think that will do. And just tie the knot. This simple knot, like the knot you do in your shoes or something. It's a very simple one. You can do 3 or 4 times to make it secure. Okay. Okay, next bit, we need this bit to cover all the thread down here. Something like that. We're going to, and you see what I mean? If you want a hairband like that, you just include it in, then tight it. If you want a hairband like that, yeah, again, you include it in when you're doing the sew, but for the clip, it doesn't matter, because once you sew it, you push it down a little bit, they actually will slide in. You don't have to include it in. It's make it awkward, you can't really sew them. Just do it afterwards. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that bit. We're going to use hand sew on the thing, and you need double that bit, and then you're going to find the middle, so you know how much you need. Okay, we're going to close up here. see, this thing's already finished. To be a bow, you can finish it in no time. And we're going to try to slice that in. You can see the wool goes through. See, one clip without glue gun or anything like that. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can actually hand sew them to the edge. You don't have to have a sewing machine. You can see the result is really neat and tidy. You can sell in this clip at quite good price. Why not give it a try? You don't need a lot of money. You can just start a few samples, then start selling, take a picture, selling on eBay, online, or you can run your own market in your local place, or approach to some gift shop to show them what you can do. See, they will buy it once they give them a sample. If they order one color for 5, one color for 10, you're soon going to have 50 or 60 you can make income from it. You don't have to stress to find a job. You can do something by your hands. Very simple, very easy. I hope my idea helps, because it helped me work from home. I'm sure it can help you too. Why not? Give it a try. I hope it helped. Thank you very much for watching.